Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Julie Hill. It's cup number 1042261_1031. It's called Forget Me Not Plate Card Kit with matching envelope. You get 4 sheets and there's everything you could need to make this, including the plate stand. It's a great keepsake and it would be especially good for weddings, christenings, anniversaries. I think it is definitely something that somebody's going to, when they've made it, give it to somebody to actually keep forever. So I'd like to run through the sheets that you get and then we'll make the card. So the first sheet is a full base of the butterfly and the frame with some gorgeous sentiments. The second sheet is the pyramage that will build the kind of pyramid front that will decoupage the front, and then you get the stand as well. And then the 2 sheets remaining are the sheets to make the envelope with a few added embellishments for the envelope. So I'd like to start off and show you how we can make the envelope. Now Julie's included everything that you need to make this gorgeous, I'm going to say keepsake because I think it is. So what happens is cut out the base of the envelope, the back side of it if you like, score along the lines and then fold them over and then cut out the front of the envelope and again score along for the top of the envelope. Now I'm going to use a tape runner and I'm simply going to add tape along the 2 outside edges that are folded in for the envelope. Then I'm going to fold up the bottom and then I'm going to add a little bit more tape on the bottom. You might want to use double-sided tape, especially if you're going to post it, just for a stronger hold. I'm doing this for quickness, just to show you how to put it together. So now we've got the base of the envelope and we're going to add the front on top. We're going to marry up those edges, press it down, there we go, and then that is your envelope complete. So if you're sending it in the post, obviously you'll need some tape on the back of the back flap, and you can add a few of your embellishments if maybe you're giving it by hand. That's going to go match perfectly to the actual card itself. So the first thing for the card is the main base of it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a sentiment on the back of it, which I've taken from the actual kit itself. It says, "Congratulations." I just think with it being such a beautiful decorational card, shall we say, it's just worthy of something like this. So I'm going to put "Congratulations" towards the top, and then we can turn the card base over and build the front up. The first thing I'm going to do is take the actual frame section. Now I've got 3D foam on the back and I'm just going to marry up the pattern from the front of the circle onto the actual frame that I've cut out. And there we go. That should just about marry up there. Press it down nicely. So we've got the start of our little card. Now the next layer is the first layer of our pyramage. So we've got 3D foam on the back of it and we're just going to marry the pattern up to the previous layer. I'm going to do it to the best of my abilities because I'm not looking over it, I'm looking at it from the side because it's through the camera, so I'm just hoping it's not too way off. So the next layer is slightly smaller than the previous layer and again 3D foam, and that's the beauty of pyramage. It just builds up nice and easily. Each layer is smaller than the last. Third layer again with 3D foam, marry up that beautiful pattern, and again hoping I'm going to get it roughly straight. And then our last layer is the top of the butterfly. There we go, hopefully nice and straight. And that's our gorgeous card. So you'll be able to write your message on the back. It's definitely a keepsake. Now Julie's included the actual plate stand. So all you do is cut it out, score down the centre, fold it together, and then the butterfly will stand. Now I know you're not going to be able to see this, but it'll give you a good idea. It will stand on the actual stand included. And that's why I think people are going to keep that forever, because it's just such a beautiful idea and it can go for any occasion really. Even get well, thinking of you, just, you know, a token of your affection to a friend. So it's just a great idea, and it all matches so perfectly with a gorgeous envelope. So you'll be able to send that all together and they'll be able to take it out and decorate their mantelpiece. I'd like to just remind you of the cup number. So it's cup 1042261_1031 by Julie Hill. And you can see any of Julie's designs by visiting Craftsuprint and looking for Julie Hill. So I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.